Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the greatest name of Allah Almighty, most gracious and merciful, whose blessings are uncountable, whose mercy is unlimited, whose love is our life, whose worship is our faith. First, let me introduce myself. I am Muhammad Salman Malik from BSCS Sindh University campus, Larkana. As we all know, because of lockdown, universities are still closed and decided to take online exams. So I am here for it. So let's move to the outline. Here it is. My first topic is what is statistics and probability, population, median, and the last one is what is midpoint. So moving to my first topic, that what is statistics. Statistics is a form of mathematical analysis that uses quantified models, representations, and sign-offs for a given set of experimental data or real-life studies. Statistics studies methodologies to gather, review, analyze, and draw conclusions from data. Simply, we can say that statistic is data. So the definition is so clear. I hope so you could understand it. And again, I am explaining it in simple words. That what is statistics? We can say that statistics is a data to analyzing, to gather, to review the data, that is called statistics. So here is the example of statistics. Does it rain often in Karachi than in Hyderabad? So what is I am trying to say here, that does it rain often in Karachi than in Hyderabad? So there are two situations. Here is the only data. So here is the chances, and I'm I'm going to explain it more clearly in probability. That probability is the chances. So I'm going to explain it there. Statistics are used behind all the medical study. Statistics helps doctor keep track of where the baby should be in his her mental development. Physicians also use statistics to examine the effectiveness of treatments. Statistics are very important for observation, analysis, and mathematical prediction models. So I was telling about the chances. Probability is the chances, the possibility. So here is a definition of it. Probability is a branch of mathematics concerning numerical descriptions of how likely an event is to occur or how likely it is that a proposition is true. The probability of an event is a number between 0 and 1, where roughly speaking 0 indicates impossibility of the event and 1 indicates certainty. So here it was the chances, and also probability is used. So what I said in this, that 0 shows impossibility and 1 shows certainty, means possibility. So does it rain often in Karachi than in Hyderabad? So we can answer in two in two options, that 0 and 1. 0 means impossibility and 1 means possibility. So is there a possibility that it's raining in Karachi? Then it will also rain in Hyderabad. So we will give answer that 1 or 0. 0 means impossibility, that there it will not rain in Hyderabad, and one means possibility that it can be rain also in Hyderabad. So here is also I have given the picture that probability is possibility. Again, we are going to discuss about it, and for better understanding, here is the example. The total number of possible outcomes. For example, the probability of flipping a coin, it being head, is 1 upon 2, because there are one way of getting a head, and the total number of possible outcomes is 2. A head or tail, we write p heads 1 upon 2. That what is the p heads 1 upon 2 means possibility of probability. The outcomes are we can get, these are two. We have two outcomes. If we are flipping a coin, so we can get two uh, outcome. That one would be head and second would be the tail. 1 upon 2 means any outcome we are getting. The possibility here is 1 upon 2 means we can get two outcomes, and the possibility of getting any chance heads also, here we have 1 upon 2, and also tail we have 1 upon 2. So we can write possibility of heads are 1 upon 2. Here is a second example. Chances to pick a hurt king in a deck of cards. Chances to pick a hurt king in a deck of cards. So uh, I hope so you have seen the deck of cards. The we can say uh, deck of cards. I hope so. Spider king or these types of the names of deck of cards. I don't know very well. Well, chances to pick a hurt king. Chances of to pick a hurt king. Hurt. We have one only one head in a deck of cards. We have four kings, but we have one hurt king. There are the four kings, one of a brick and the other are the names I do not know. So here we have only one hurt king in a deck of cards. So what is this? It is also a possibility. It is we can get the outcomes, that is one. So that is also called probability. Population. In statistics, a population is the entire pool from which a statistical sample is drawn. A population may refer to an entire group of peoples, objects, events, hospital visits, or measurements. A population can thus be said to be an aggregate observation of subjects grouped together by a common feature. Unlike a sample, when carrying out statistical analysis on a population, there are no standards error to report. That is because such error inform analysis that using a sample how far their estimate may deviate from the true population value. But since you are working with the true population, you already know the true value. So I have written an example of my own. I can say that I have written my own example here. So I hope so it would be better for understanding that what is population. So we are going to find petrol in all over Pakistan. Then we have must to get statistical report of survey from different area of Pakistan, that how much population of areas we have from where we can get petrol. So here we are taking the area from where we can find petrol. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to find the static. We have to must get the statistical report for survey from different areas. We have to uh, make the report, means we have to divide it in different areas, in different portions. Then we have to visit. Then we will find out that from where, which part, from which area we can find the petrol in big amount. So that is called the population. That is called the sample of population. So here is another topic, median. The median is the middle number in a data set. To find the median, it's your data points in ascending order and then finding the middle number. The middle number in this set is 28, as there are four numbers below it and four numbers above. So 28 is the middle number. Here we can see that, and four are uh, on the above and four are the below. If you have an even sets of number, average the middle two to find the median. For example, the median of this set of number is 28 plus 29, and we are dividing by it 2. So what will get the answer? 23, 24, 26, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31, 33, and 28 plus 29 divided by 2, that will become 34. So as a simple example of median, here is an example of some people are in a room of different ages and they are going to watch a movie. Then we should have to play a movie that everyone would love to watch. So here are the peoples. Here are the some amount of. There are also children and also the old and some young. So they are going to watch TV. So what we should have to play that everyone would love to watch. So kids love to watch cartoons, but the we can say that or uh, old citizens uh, in big age, like here a man, his age is 85. So he would like to watch the old movies or old songs or the news. But children would do not love to watch these things. And also, if we are going to play the cartoons, so the grandpa, the old man here would not love to like the cartoon. So what we have to find out here. So first of all, we have to arrange it in order. Means uh, we can say in ascending order. So to find the median, we have to arrange in ascending order of 8, 6, 6, 10, 85, 8, 6, 6, 10, and 85, like 6, 6, 8, 10, 85. So here we have arranged the ages of people who are in room in ascending order. So the median of this list is 8 because it's our middle value. 2 are on left, 2 are on right, and the 8 is middle value. So childs would love to watch cartoons and they love to watch the old films or etc or news. But what we have to do, the middle value, the median or is coming, that what we have to play that everyone would love, that is we are taking the age of mid, we are taking the middle value, we are taking the means we can say the not so uh, young and not so the old men that would love to watch. So we are taking the middle. So we are going to play the movie. So everyone would love. Child also loved it, and the grandpa would also love it. So this was the median. So if we have to find the median in even number, so there is another formula. Like here it is in odd, there are five numbers, there are five people in room. But if we have to find the median in even number, so what we have to do? So here is the formula of median: n upon 2 plus n upon 2 is equal to median. So the n upon 2 plus n upon 2, there it is coming. So first of all, we are taking the list: 42, 7, 17, 14, 7, 24, 15, and 29. So here the sorted list is 7, 7, 14, 15, 17, 24, 29, 42. What are the 15 and 17? I have highlighted those numbers in blue. Here we have three numbers in left and three numbers in right. So here we have the even number. So if we are going to find the median in even number, so we have to take two the middle numbers, and then we have to divide it by 2. 15 upon 2 plus 17 upon 2, we have to divide them separately, or we can also divide them by so for do not being in confusion, so it is so easy that first we can divide it. One means two numbers we are taking, we have to divide separately. 15 upon 2 we have to divide, that would come 7.5, and 17 upon 2, and the answer would come, and we have to plus them, so the answer will be 16. So this was the formula of finding the median in even number. We are moving to our next topic and last topic. And what is midpoint? The class midpoint or class mark is a specific point in the center of the bins categories in frequency distribution table. It's also the center of a bar in a histogram. It is defined as the average of the upper and lower class limits. To find the midpoint of any range and the two numbers together and divided by 2. In this instance, 0 plus 5, that comes 5. 5 divided by 2, that would come the answer, the outcome will have that 2.5. So here we have the formula of midpoint: x plus 1 plus x plus 2 divided by 2, x plus 1 plus y plus 1 plus 5, y 2 divided by 2. So that's all. I hope so. I am not so professional in video making, so this was our first time, and I hope so teachers will understand and uh, do not take so seriously or little mistakes, and also they should give us good marks. So that's all. Remember me in prayers. God bless you. Khuda.